5 times you should call your chiropractor, that you may not have considered. For the most part, we associate chiropractor treatments with neck pain and back pain. But the truth is that the spine is an internal organ that regulates the body's processes, so are there many other conditions that might be made easier by checking in with your chiropractor. Headaches. Headaches are no fun. Like any pain, the headache's pain has levels. Some of us have mild tension type headaches that are easily managed with some Panadol, annoying but not exactly the end of the world. For others, their headache is a skull-splitting migraine that puts them out of the workforce for 2 days out of every month, really bad. Chiropractors have the necessary training and skills to correctly diagnose your headache in most instances and quite possible also offer some relief. Many headaches are caused in part by muscle tension and joint inflammation in the top of the neck and in the jaw. By releasing tension in the neck and jaw, chiropractors can sometimes help a great deal, even with severe migraines and the like. Sciatic pain. One of the worst complaints that chiropractors deal with on a regular basis is sciatica or sciatic pain. There is a common misconception that sciatic pain always comes from a disc. The truth is, however, far more complex than that. Sciatic pain is, in technical terms, pain in the sciatic region, down the back of the leg, and it has many possible causes. Your chiropractor should be able to give you a very clear idea of what the most likely cause of your sciatic pain is. Sometimes this will require further tests to be ordered, but often a physical exam is enough to confirm the most probable cause. If you are one of the lucky ones, your sciatic pain will be coming from muscle tension in the back of your pelvis. This type of sciatic pain is very common and can be managed by your chiropractor. Shoulder pain. The shoulder is an amazingly complex mechanism. Unlike most joints, the shoulder is actually an amalgamation of different joints and tissues. Depending on your perspective, you could say that there are anywhere from 4 to 10 joints involved in elevation of the arm, and that's before we start on the army of muscles that are involved. Your chiropractor's expert knowledge of musculoskeletal pain should make it relatively easy to diagnose your shoulder pain in most cases. One of the secrets to successfully rehabilitating shoulder pain in most cases is knowing that the ribs are generally involved. Even in standard rotator cuff pain cases, mobilization of the ribs is often the key to reducing pinching of the rotator cuff. Chiropractors are experts at joint mobilization. Hay fever. Hay fever will never kill you, but for some it can make them wish that they were dead. Like most complaints, intensity is what drives how unhappy they make us, and hay fever is no exception. The truth is about hay fever that most people are fairly happy to just put up with it or pop a pill once a day. For those who are being made really miserable by their hay fever, there is an alternative perspective that their chiropractor can offer. People with hay fever definitely have a genetic disposition towards reacting to things like pollen. A chiropractor's perspective is that in order for this genetic potential to be fully realized as full-blown hay fever, you have to have problems with sinus drainage. Mobilization of the bones in the neck and skull in a way that promotes drainage is one way that you may find your hay fever can be dramatically improved. Insomnia. Sleep is so important, isn't it? You can go way longer without food than you can without sleep. Whatever sleep really is, we still don't know, but we know it's super vital stuff for a healthy life. Studies on sleep indicate that it is a key part of the well-being of our brain, but also the whole body. There are many possible causes of insomnia, and in truth most of them are not issues that your chiropractor is trained to help you with. There are, however, certain instances where your chiropractors may be able to help you a great deal. That's because there are certain instances where insomnia can be caused or at least greatly worsened by tension in the neck. So there you have it. The body is complex, and there are many ways in which we may benefit from having its mechanics working a little better. And it's the improvement of the body's mechanics that gets chiropractors out of bed in the morning. Give City Chiropractic a call on 04 385 6446 to make an appointment now.